Welcome students in online class for the subject physics for 11th and 12th standard students. Today we have learned definitions, formulas in terms of length, mass, time and current of various physical quantity in magnetism or in magnetic field. Today we have seen some physical quantities in magnetism. So we know that this is a bar magnet which consists of two imaginary poles, North Pole and South Pole. The line joining the two poles is called magnetic axis. The distance between two poles, that is magnetic length. Here the distance from each pole to center, that is L. So first we want to see magnetic length. Magnetic length is the distance between two poles is equal to twice L or 2 multiplied by distance. So dimensional formula for magnetic length, it will be 2 into distance. Second will be magnetic pole strength. So magnet has property of attraction. So North Pole, it has also property of attraction, as well as South Pole, it also has magnetic pole strength or force of attraction. So here this magnetic pole strength is defined as the product of current and magnetic length or distance. The product of current and distance is said to be magnetic pole strength. So North Pole having magnetic pole strength plus small m, whereas South Pole having magnetic pole strength minus small m. So if two poles, North Pole, are come together, then there is force of attraction. North Pole and South Pole, when close together, come together, then there is force of attraction, because charges, pole strengths are different. But when North Pole or South Pole are close together, come together, then there is force of repulsion. So force of attraction or force of repulsion is there. The third quantity will be seen, that is magnetic dipole moment, is represented by capital M. The product of magnetic pole strength and magnetic length, magnetic pole strength and magnetic length is said to be magnetic dipole moment. So magnetic pole strength is product of current multiplied by distance multiplied by distance. So product of current multiplied by distance square or square of distance is said to be dimensional formula for magnetic dipole moment. Fourth, that is magnetization. It is the ratio of magnetic moment upon area, upon volume. it will be magnetic moment. It will be pole strength multiplied by distance upon volume is distance cube. So what happen? One distance get cancelled. So we say that pole strength will be current multiplied by distance divided by distance cube. What happen? One distance get cancelled, means two distances get cancelled. So it is magnetization will be ratio of current to the distance or magnetic length is said to be magnetization. Magnetic field induction. It is the ratio of force to pole strength called magnetic field induction. So here we know that force mass into acceleration upon pole strength will be current into distance. So here mass upon distance multiplied by velocity upon time multiplied by 1 upon current. Mass upon distance multiplied by 1 upon time multiplied by distance upon time multiplied by 1 upon current. Time get cancelled, time get multiplied here, distance get cancelled. So here mass upon time square multiplied by current, that is the dimensional formula for magnetic field induction. But another formula for magnetic field induction, it will be force upon charge multiplied by velocity, that is F upon EV. So if we substitute mass multiplied by acceleration divided by current multiplied by time multiplied by distance upon time, time get cancel. Mass multiplied by velocity upon time upon current multiplied by 1 upon distance. So here mass upon current multiplied by distance upon time multiplied by time 1 upon distance. What happened? Distance get cancelled. So formula for magnetic field induction will be mass upon current multiplied by time square. Here mass upon time square multiplied by current, and this mass upon current multiplied by time square, that is the formula, dimensional formula for magnetic field induction. Magnetic flux is equal to magnetic induction into area. So that is area. So we know that magnetic field induction, that is force acting on pole strength multiplied by distance square. So here force is mass multiplied by acceleration divided by current multiplied by distance multiplied by distance square. What happened? Distance get cancel. So mass upon current multiplied by velocity upon time multiplied by distance. So mass upon current multiplied by time multiplied by distance upon time multiplied by distance. So that is mass multiplied by distance square upon current multiplied by time square. So mass multiplied by distance square upon time square multiplied by current. That is the dimensional formula for magnetic flux. Magnetic flux density. It is ratio of force to the current multiplied by distance sin theta. So here force, that is mass multiplied by acceleration divided by current multiplied by distance multiplied by sin theta. So here mass multiplied by velocity upon time multiplied by, here divided by current 1 upon distance multiplied by sin theta. Mass upon current multiplied by velocity distance upon time multiplied by time multiplied by 1 upon distance sin theta. Distance get cancel. That is mass upon current multiplied by time square sin theta. So that is the dimensional formula for magnetic flux density, which will also measured in Tesla. It is also measured in Tesla. Magnetic permeability of free space. The physical quantity magnetic permeability of free space, it is denoted by mu 0. So we know magnetic axis along magnetic induction along axis. That is vector B equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 capital M upon R cube, where capital M is dipole moment, R is distance from center of magnetic axis. Magnetic induction. And mu 0 is permeability of free space or air. Mu 0 is equal to 4 pi into vector B multiplied by r cube upon 2 capital M. That is 2 get cancel. 2 pi into magnetic induction will be force acting on pole strength multiplied by distance cube divided by magnetic moment. What happened? 2 pi in bracket mass multiplied by acceleration divided by pole strength, that is current multiplied by distance multiplied by distance upon distance cube upon current multiplied by area. So area, distance and distance cube get cancelled. Current and current, they are multiplied with each other. So here 2 pi mass upon current square multiplied by velocity upon time. So 2 pi in bracket mass upon current square multiplied by distance upon time square. This is the dimensional formula for permeability or magnetic permeability of free space, that is mu 0. So another physical quantity, it will be relative permeability. It will be ratio of permeability of medium to the permeability of free space. So these two are same quantities. They are pure number having no dimensional formula, no dimension, no unit. That will be constant. So another will be coefficient of self-inductance. It can be represented by capital L. So we know that magnetic flux phi directly proportional to I. So therefore phi is equal to Li. We know that E equal to minus d phi upon dt. So minus d upon dt in bracket Li. So E equal to minus L di upon dt. In magnitude, L equal to EMF upon di upon dt. That is the formula for coefficient of self-inductance. But here we know that if L is equal to phi upon I, magnetic flux, that is magnetic induction गुणिले area multiplied by current. So what happen? Magnetic induction, it will be force upon pole strength multiplied by area upon current. So what happen? Mass multiplied by acceleration multiplied by area divided by current multiplied by distance multiplied by current. So current they are multiplied with each other, that is current square. So it will be mass upon current square multiplied by velocity upon time multiplied by distance square upon distance. What happen? One distance get cancel. So here it will be mass upon current square multiplied by distance upon time square multiplied by distance. So it will be L, coefficient of self inductance will be mass multiplied by distance square divided by time square multiplied by current square. That is the dimensional formula for self inductance. Self inductance is measured in Henry. That is the measurement of self inductance. Again we can find out mutual inductance. Coefficient of mutual inductance, which can be represented by M. This is similar to the self inductance, that is phi directly proportional to I. So phi equal to Mi. So therefore M is equal to phi upon I. Phi is magnetic flux upon current. So magnetic flux will be magnetic induction गुणिले multiplied by area upon current. Magnetic induction, it will be force acting on pole strength multiplied by area upon current. So force will be mass multiplied by acceleration divided by current multiplied by distance multiplied by distance square upon current. What happen? Distance get cancel. So we say that mass upon current square multiplied by velocity upon time multiplied by distance. It is mass upon current square multiplied by distance upon time square multiplied by distance. Multiply here, so it will be mass multiplied by distance square divided by time square multiplied by current square. That is the dimensional formula for coefficient of mutual induction. So again we have seen the next physical quantity. It will be magnetic intensity. It is the ratio of current into distance into sin theta upon area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square. So it will be current multiplied by distance upon distance square multiplied by sin theta upon 4 pi. Distance get cancel, so magnetic intensity H, it will be current upon distance. Ratio of current to the distance will be magnetic intensity. So here magnetic susceptibility it will be represented by Xi. Xi is the ratio of magnetization upon to the magnetic intensity. So we know that magnetization, it will be ratio of current to the distance, and magnetic intensity, it also will be ratio of current to distance. Distance cancel, current cancel, so magnetization will be pure number. It has no dimensional formula, no unit and no dimension.